Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel guys. Welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. For today's episode guys, as you can see the bonnet is up again. So I'm experiencing some issues with the car. Alright, so what happened was, the first thing that I realized is every time when I drive my car, right, if I drive it a little bit faster, I will have a weird smell in my car cabin. So I was thinking, I've cleaned the condenser coils as well. So the thing is, it can't be the AC smell again. Yeah. And at the same time, it only happens when I, push it a bit. Yep. So I was wondering, is something, burning inside the bonnet? Yeah. So there was one time, I actually had a closer look and I realized, there's a lot of oil near the engine area. But the thing is, the issue with us Beamers is, engine oil will leak. Yeah, which BMW doesn't leak engine oil? Maybe a brand new one? I'm not sure. I mean, if you drive a Beamer out there, put down in the comments below, does yours leak oil? And another thing, that I realized was, last weekend, I actually went for a drive, with some of the F10 guys. For those of you who have missed this video, check out the link over here. It was an awesome drive. We actually went to Malaysia and there was quite a bit of fun. Yep. So one of my friends, actually told me, I was behind you and when you were driving along the highway, I could see some smoke. So what I did was, I went home, I did some research, and if there's smoke coming out from your car, there might be a few scenarios, and one of them is the valve cover gasket. So I actually did a purchase online, I got the parts already, and I'm going to do the valve cover gasket today. Alright, so for those of you who are new, guys, please like and subscribe. We have 7% subscribers. Yeah, that means every 100 of you out there, right, only 7 are subscribed. Guys, please subscribe. I need more subscribers. Yep, and I need a lot more comments as well. So drop down in the comments below what you want to see on the next few mods. Alright, so guys, without further ado, this will be a long one. Grab a drink, grab a coffee, and we'll try to do this together, because I read online you can actually DIY it, and I have a couple of tools with me, so I was going to try it. Yeah, so it's going to take a couple of hours. Right now it's about noon. Let's see if I have time for dinner or not. Alright, so guys, let's enjoy this one. Let's go. Alright, so guys, this is an update after 5 or 6 hours. You know, I've lost track of time of removing this. Alright, so later on, okay, check out the end of the video where I'll show you what's the do's and don'ts, because you do not want to spend the whole day fixing this. Yeah, as you can see, it's already dark out there. Yeah, so we're gonna finish this up and go back home. So there's a bit of smoke coming from the engine. Okay, it is normal. Yeah, because there's quite a bit of water just now. I'm not taking any chances, just in case I need to use it. But so far it is looking good. Yeah, because just now of the steam cleaning, right, there will be a bit of water, you know, that's coming out. Okay, this is normal. Yeah, let's hope this clears, because if this does not clear, then something is wrong somewhere with my installation.
小心哦，烧哦。
有啦，还有，还有。 Alright, so after you do a major repair or stuff like this, okay, usually go in, choose your car model, yep, and erase all the codes. Everything should be fine, and the good news is that there is really no smoke or whatsoever coming out. So I think we have fixed the problem after so many hours. Oh my god. But at least we got it done. Alright, so guys, okay, that's the end of the whole DIY. Alright, so that's how you do a valve cover gasket replacement in about, I would say, including yesterday and today, I did it in about 11 hours. Guys, do not try this at home, guys. Okay, I mean you can try it, okay, but please do not use the steps I use, okay, not all. Right, so what I did, okay, some of the mistakes I made, right, guys, okay, as you can see over here, those were some of the parts that needed to be opened up, okay, including this part, the one on top, okay, and the windshield and the wipers part, right, you have to remove it over here, okay, because in order to get to the bolts that are right at the corner of the valve cover, right, you have to remove that. Yep, so I was using, like all my tools and all this and wiggling and, looking at YouTube clips, okay, of other people's tutorials and all this, okay, to see, how people actually do it, okay, and the thing is, I wasted a lot of time here and there, when you watch a clip, you grab a drink, it's 20 minutes, 30 minutes gone, you come back and then you try again and you can't do it, and then you go and watch another clip, you go to the forum to check it out. Yep, so you waste a lot of time here and there, and it's not advisable for you to do that. Alright, so remove all these parts, okay, the windshield cover, the wipers and everything, you have clearer access. Alright, so guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. If you like this, smash the like button, subscribe, we have more videos like this coming up. Alright, so stay safe, stay healthy, happy morning your child. Bye!